एसोसिएशन विद
NIB बैंक, क्योंकि आप ही सब कुछ है।
हम अभी श्रीलंका के एयरपोर्ट कोलंबो से निकले हैं और देखें सब्ज़ाज़ार में घिरा हुआ और ख़ूबसूरत राहदारियों से होता हुआ, जबकि मौसम में बड़ी खुशगवारियत है। यहाँ जो दहशतगर्दी की 2 दहाइयाँ गुजरी, उसने यहाँ की इकॉनमी को, यहाँ की सोसाइटी को बड़ा तबाह बर्बाद किया, जिसका अक्स आप दाएं और बाएं कच्चे पक्के घरों, फुटपाथों पे चलते हुए लोगों की शक्लों में देख रहे हैं। जिस तरह श्रीलंका में यहाँ की जमहूरियत ने, यहाँ की रियासत ने, यहाँ की हुकूमत ने लोगों के ज़रिए दहशतगर्दी को ख़त्म कर दिया, इंशाअल्लाह पाकिस्तान में भी ये सब ख़त्म होगा। जी हाँ, मैं इस वक्त कोलंबो में हूँ, जहाँ 3rd SAARC कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। पहली ये कॉन्फ्रेंस दिल्ली में हुई थी, दूसरी बॉम्बे में और आज तीसरी कोलंबो में। कॉन्फ्रेंस का इफ्तिताई इजलास शुरू होने वाला है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्रीलंका की अब आमद है।
Mr. Tariq Sayeed to address this audience.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning. The heads of state at the 11th SAARC summit held at Kathmandu in 2002 renewed their commitment to encourage participation of the private sector and assured full support for their economic activities. The reaffirmation of the commitment culminated into first SAARC Business Leaders Conclave, which was held in New Delhi in 2005, followed by another one in Bombay in 2007. The basic concept of SBLC is to emphasize that coordinated efforts must continue to free South Asia from poverty, hunger, and other forms of deprivation, which pose serious challenges to the leadership in South Asia. The successful conclusion of the first and second SBLC persuaded the private sector of South Asia to once again reinforce the process of strengthening and deepening the public-private partnership in the region. Inspired by success of the previous 2 conclaves, the private sector of South Asia today once again demonstrates its will to continue its journey towards economic well-being of South Asia. And with all the spirit embodied with shared vision, coordinated efforts, and earnest desire to foster the process of regional integration, I, on behalf of the entire business community of South Asia and my own behalf, welcome all of you at the third SAARC Business Leaders Conclave, jointly organized by SAARC Chamber, FNF, and of course the Federation of Sri Lanka Chamber. We, the business community of South Asia, feel greatly honored and pleasure to welcome Honorable Ratnasri Wickremesinghe, Prime Minister of Democratic Social Republic of Sri Lanka, for sparing his valuable time out of his very busy schedule and gracing this event with his valued presence.
On behalf of the government of Sri Lanka, permit me to extend a very warm welcome to all of you. You have come to Sri Lanka at a time when tremendous changes are taking place, not only in the sphere of politics, but also in the building of our country, which has been neglected for so many years, not due to our fault, but due to the fault of a few irresponsible people who have who took to terrorism. That problem is over now. Now we are saddled with another problem of development and raising the standards of our people in our country. That cannot be achieved only by the state. It can be achieved only through the cooperation of the private sector and the state. Both will have to join together. As far as Sri Lanka government is concerned, we always work closely with the private sector, and we are very friendly towards private sector. So,
अब श्रीलंका के फनकार अपने रवायती अंदाज में अपने मेहमानों को खुशामदीद कह रहे हैं। आप देखें कि जिस तरह हर मुल्क का अपना एक कल्चर होता है, अपनी रवायत होती हैं, अपनी रसूम होती हैं, ये जो श्रीलंका के रसीम रवायत कितनी मुख्तलिफ है।